X-Slayer King of Peasant with a chainsaw massacre lobby. Is that a miniature helicopter on the ground? Oh no, that's a chainsaw. Oh my god. Why did I think that was a fucking miniature?
Goddamn idiot.
I wanna die. Alright. 3.
Hold on.
Wait, okay.
Is it infinite? Is it infinite?
It is.
I think it's infinite. Okay.
It is.
So, that's all we got?
Yeah.
We got, ooh, there's another chainsaw. I want this chainsaw.
Are we doing, before we start, are we doing standard death race, or are we gonna keep it on expert?
Hey, check it out, I'm juggling chainsaws! We'll do downscale leveling. Because we chose a map that has a finale with tanks. And I doubt we're gonna be able to on expert. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go! Yeah.
Oh my god, I only broke one thing! Wait, stop.
Go.
We're all fucking retards.
Oh yeah.
Alright, go. Oh god, it's just everyone damaging each other. It's just everyone damaging each other trying to get first.
No.
Oh my god, Nano!
Oh god damn it!
Get away!
This is gonna go great.
Drink number 1 for me. Oh, Bill, my savior! I knew it. You and me, man.
I'm fine.
I'm watching the skies.
Thanks.
I'm watching the trees.
I haven't seen this special effect yet.
I think I heard one, but...
Oh god.
Now we're done.
Bill.
Oh god, they all spawned. No. I'm sorry. I should've. Oh, I mean,
Smoker! No! I'm going after the smoker. I'll be back in like 5 months.
Yeah, Nano, hey man.
What's going on, guys? Oh. Funky mother. Oh. Run. Excuse me. No.
Shut
No.
Oh, hello.
Get that chainsaw on my face.
I mean, not me.
Yeah, dude. It's everywhere.
I actually got hit through the
This
wall.
place was clean.
I'm kinda upset about that. Alright.
I mean, there wasn't any graffiti.
Alright.
3.
You guys ready?
Fuck you.
Oh, hold on. Oh, goddamn. What did the shoes say to the pants?
Well, you went that kind of ready.
What?
Sup, britches?
My
Yes.
God. Oh my god, this is so awful on expert.
No, don't touch me.
Oh, okay.
Bill, you idiot.
Hello, crying lady.
Go down here, man. They're attracted to your chainsaw.
Francis, you might want to heal.
We're just gonna big amble on you.
A little help, people.
Oh, just keep running.
Hold up, I gotta heal.
Just keep running.
Dude, I'm half your size. Come on,
I
get
did
it.
Oh,
I did
no,
it finally.
that's a tank.
Is it a tank?
There's a tank.
We're not beating.
Of course there's a tank. What is a tank? Fuck! I know. And it worked.
Shoot rocket.
Why didn't you tell me about that witch?
He's trying to kill us.
Oh, he threw a piece of concrete at me.
The bot. DJ, the bot's our only hope. We're going that way. That way. There's like a tasty survivor.
Bill went straight into the witch!
Oh my god, the tank followed
What did
me!
it say about
The tank followed me! The tank followed me, not you.
That's the first. I'm surprised I'm still standing.
Oh, help me and my piece of concrete. Help me.
Oh crap!
Help me.
Coming.
I gave it to DJ. Now he has tank aids.
God damn it! Yeah, well, this piece of concrete and I are gonna go into a bar.
Oh yeah, he's
Come
coming
on,
for
get
you.
up.
Oh, I know.
Yeah, we're going to a bar, and I'm gonna say to the bartender, one for me, and one for the road. Oh.
Grenade.
I cannot.
Womp womp.
I fucking hate. Oh my god, he hit me in the air. I'm so bad.
Oh, stop!
And it didn't matter in the
Do you know why there's only 2 pallbearers at a homeless guy's funeral?
Why?
Because there's only 2 handles on a trash can.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh my god, DJ, why'd you?
That wasn't me. I'm over here. There we go. Anyone that comes around me is gonna get
Ow!
My chainsaw wasn't making any noise for a while.
Oh, no.
Are you fucking kidding me? Oh my god, he almost hit me. Nano.
No!
Bait.
See ya!
Master bait.
God, he's right behind me.
Oh, I know it. Suckers.
Oh, heal. Heal. Heal faster, Lewis. Heal faster! Oh god, please. Run, run, run.
The chainsaw attracting comments is probably the worst.
Sorry, Nano! Damn it! I closed the door. Surely not intended.
We can kill the tank together.
Stop it.
Yeah, good luck with that.
Oh, no, don't start it. Oh my god.
Fuck yeah, start it.
I have the tank on fire, dude. You should have killed it.
Oh. That's why I found him. And it really good stuff. I brought him all the way down. Oh, no. Going back up.
Oh my god, I got to run. Nano.
Oh god!
Barely.
Oh, run!
Down that chainsaw. Dude, it's so bad how the zombie gets swarmed by the chainsaw sound.
Go, 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 go. Oh god, I'm so close.
Absolute madman.
No,
Shut the
close
door on
myself.
yourself.
Woo!
I think it's my only strategy. Alright, 3, 1.
Alright.
Once you go to the right, check out the guns. No, 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 no! Oh, who was that? Who put me down to
Oh
30?
my god, Nano.
Oh my god. Oh, your god. All the way north.
I'm just gonna stay away from everyone.
hospital.
There's a witch somewhere?
My sanity paid off.
Bill! Come here, Bill.
It was accident.
Yeah.
About that smoker.
I only had to shoot it like.
Well, Bill's dead.
Oh!
Quiet, my child.
I might need these pills.
Hey, buddy, what's going on? Oh no!
This way.
Of course, I walked down the way that has the wood.
This is going to
One
hell
angry
real
hoe.
fast.
Bump, bump.
Wait. Did the
There we go.
The charger tried to charge me through the wall. What the fuck?
Yeah.
Like all of a
I've seen him
sudden,
do that one
all of
other
a sudden
time.
I've got knocked, and I was like,
Francis?
I think I can do this. It all depends on the ladder.
Uh-oh. Yeah.
Will my pistol strat work?
And... take. I called it.
Oh god.
What? He just knocked me
There was a
completely.
take before the take music too. Totally called it.
I got.
Oh, that
fucking
was
cockblocked
awesome.
Before I even fucking got there.
Oh.
God damn it. All the other shit is spawning it.
The zombie is not dying.
Man, it gets you going too, and when you're all the way up there.
Two pistols now. I'll be the faraway guy.
I'm juggling chainsaws. You're the one that hits the gas tank.
Reloading. Hey, that hurt.
Ow.
Remember, just pump it. Just pump it. Just pump it.
What's the chances I do it a second time?
No, no.
Pretty good chance.
Watch out. Reloading. Ow.
That absolute madman.
Son of a bitch. Have fun with the horde.
Cover me.
Get on the left.
Behind you.
Ha! What horde?
Where we need to go. Oh.
Fuck.
Oh, that's a boomer.
Reloading. Hey, come on, stop.
What? When did you get ahead of me?
I'm not ahead of you.
Wait. Oh god, where am I? Oh, good. You're outside.
Casually farther.
No! Samu jockey. Ah!
Oh.
Come on. What with that?
Francis.
Oh shit, you are ahead of me. Damn it!
Of course not.
Sounds like
I-
a witch. Flashlights
Oh my
off.
god, a witch. Are you fucking kidding me? I swear to god.
What?
She's next to the ladder.
Go, 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 go.
She's next to the fucking ladder.
The witch.
That's some
Angry.
Zombie to your left. Nice.
This first
No.
will help.
No, no. No! No! Go after him!
Damn.
He's not going after him, is he?
Everyone in here.
No!
Bill.
It's fine.
109
It's
bitch.
fine. It's fine.
I believe it.
Come on.
Everyone inside.
Come on, come on, come on.
Always. I wanna.
Oh.
Get inside.
Go, 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 go.
Behind ya. No, you're good. You're
Go,
good.
go,
You're
go,
good.
go,
Go, go, go.
That witch is not happy.
Jockey coming up. Behind
Oh,
you.
there's a smoker!
Just go, man. You're good. Smoke. Nice. Go, 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 go.
Inside.
You're good. Just go. Nothing behind you. Nothing behind you. Nothing behind you. Ah. I am so losing points.
You basically lost this one. You basically lost.
Yeah.